Hi Ed, so tell me a little bit more about what made you want to have the work done in your conservatory.
So we got the we kind of started looking for some insulation in the conservatory because the room was basically unusable a lot of the time. Most of the, like through quite a lot of the year. In the summer it was really hot in here, and it was kind of too hot to sit in even with the doors open. And in the winter it was absolutely freezing cold, and so we just kind of kept it shut up and out of the way. It wasn't worth putting on the heating in here because the heat would just disappear.
Lovely. And since having the work done, how has it been? Has it made any
It's
difference?
made a big difference actually, especially to the in the colder months. Obviously, we haven't had so much of the summer since we've had it done, but in the colder months of the year since we've had it done, it's been a lot warmer in here, a lot more usable. The temperature, because we bought, I mean, we got a bit obsessed, bought a little thermometer, and it was like the temperature in here and the temperature in the other rooms of the house are the same. So it's made a big difference to the usability of the room.
Perfect. And what do you use the room for now?
Mainly for the dog, as you down and mess everywhere. Yeah, the dog sleeps out here. She sort of spends time out here when we're not around in the house, and but we come and sit out here as well. And, kids use it in all sorts.
Lovely. And what did you think of our CIS fitters?
They're amazing. The two blokes that came were really polite, really kind of efficient. Just got on with it. What I liked as well, they cleared up all the mess and just kind of it was a smooth process as you could ask for. It was really good.
Brilliant. And are you pleased with the final result?
Yeah, really pleased. Really pleased. Yeah, it looks a lot nicer, and it's definitely made the room usable now.
Perfect. And did our team tell you about the Harrods hampers that you could receive for recommending us to a friend?
They certainly did. Yeah.
Yeah. Perfect. And will you be recommending us to
Definitely
anyone?
would. Yeah, if anyone I knew needed something like this done, I'd definitely recommend.
Lovely. Thank you so much, Ed. It's been a pleasure working with you.